In this video, I want to show you how to withdraw your Eifi token. If you are lucky to buy Eifi when the price was under $1, then right now you are allowed to withdraw the coin. But first off, in Trust Wallet, the coin is not there by default, so you have to add the contract address to get it there. So how do you do that? Go to google.com, type in Eifi contract address. Sorry, Eifi, not EY. The EYFI is the old token. So we are going to search Eifi. Alright. Okay. So make sure the token you found is on BSC scan. So as soon as it opens, alright, here is the contract address. Copy it, then go to your Trust Wallet. Open your Trust Wallet. And your Trust Wallet, okay, I already have it here. So I'm going to open a new wallet and add it there too. Okay, it's not here. So what do? You see the buttons by the right, the top right, click on it. Right here, try to search Eifi. You notice you will not find any result. So you see where it says add custom token. Click on it. You remember we have already copied our contract address, so change this to Smart Chain Network. Then click on paste. It will automatically bring out other parts of the other options. So click on done. Alright, our Eifi is already added. So click on receive. Once you click on receive, copy the receive address. I've copied mine. So go to your browser and open your Etherconnect dashboard. So right here, this is my own Etherconnect dashboard, and right here you can still buy Eifi on a private sale. Let's see how much it sells privately. Okay, let's say I'm trying to use Tron to buy. Maybe 10 USD. Let's allow it to open. Okay, it was asking me to pay 178 trons. But this is not giving me what I wanted. I want to know the price of Eifi in the private sale. Okay, so I have to go back to the dashboard. I think it's here on the dashboard. Okay, it's currently on 11.9 USD. 11.9 USD on a private sale. And look here, it currently sells at 188 USD on pancake swap. I can easily swap this coin here and get equivalent. But the problem is this: on the dashboard you can only withdraw 0.1%. So assuming I just bought a $10 worth of this coin, I'll be able to withdraw only 0.1% at the moment. So if I withdraw the 0.1%, I can easily sell it via pancake swap and cash out immediately and change the and swap it to BNB. Then from BNB, I move it to any other type of coin or to USDT and sell it via Binance or whatever. So remember, what I'm trying to show you is how to withdraw. So when you click on your dashboard, you click on EIFI, then click on withdraw EIFI. So let's allow it to open. Okay, so I have 26 EIFI and I want to withdraw 0.1. I think I withdrew some yesterday, so I don't know if I'm allowed to withdraw again. Let's see what happens. I've already withdrawn my allocated one for this month, but assuming you have not done so before, once you click on withdraw, it will prompt you to update your withdrawal address. So if it didn't prompt you to update your withdrawal address, what I'll do is simply go to this menu. When you go to this menu, you scroll down. When you scroll down, click on account. When you click on account, you see update wallet. Click on update wallet. Right here, paste. You see EIFI wallet address. Paste your that receive address which you copied from your Trust wallet. Once you paste it there and update it successfully, then you'll be able to receive your EIFI token in your Trust wallet.